Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to transfer account to new device in eFootball 2027 mobile. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So on the new device, launch the eFootball 2027 mobile. Then click on this three horizontal line at the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on data transfer. Now if you want to transfer data from the linked Google Play account, then you have to tap the first option, that is transfer data linked to Google Play account. If you are earlier playing the eFootball 2026 or 2027 mobile via the Google Play account, then you have to tap on the first option, that is transfer data linked to Google Play account, and then follow the on screen instruction to transfer the data, and it will transfer the account to your new device. Now if you are earlier playing the eFootball 2026 or 2027 mobile game on any other old device and you want to transfer the KONAMI account to a new device to play the eFootball 2027 game, then tap the second option, that is transfer data linked to KONAMI ID, and then follow the on-screen instruction and your data will transfer from your old KONAMI ID account to a new device. So this is how you can transfer account to a new device on eFootball 2027. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.